Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام وهو القاهر فوق عباده ويرسل عليكم حفظة حتى إذا جاء أحدكم الموت توفته رسلنا وهم لا يفرطون. Translation: He is supreme and dominant over his people and servants. He sends guardian angels to watch over you until death come to any of you, and our deputed messenger angels take his soul into death, and they never fail in their duties. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is supreme and dominant over his people and servants, and he sends the angels that guards the human beings throughout their life. Also, there are angels that write all the deeds and his speech. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Al-Infitar, وَإِنَّ عَلَيْكُمْ لَحَافِظِينَ كِرَامًا كَاتِبِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ مَا تَفْعَلُونَ, meaning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has appointed on you the guardian angels, and they are very, very honorable, and they write and they know what you do. So there are two types of angels that scholars have mentioned. One are those who are writing the good and bad deeds, and the other angels that are the guardian angels that are protecting all the human beings till the time of their death. Hazrat Abu Hurairah Razillah Ta'ala Anhu mentioned in a hadith which is summarized here that the humans have appointed angels that come in the daytime and the night time, one after another, and their meeting time is the time of Fajr and Asr. So the Fajr time, those angels that are leaving will give report to those who are coming for the day, and similar meeting happens at the Asr time when the daytime angels are leaving and the nighttime angels are taking charge. It is mentioned in this hadith that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything, but he asks those angels that are coming, and Allah asks them that how did you find my slaves? They say that, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we left them while they are praying, and when we went to them they were praying also, meaning that at the Asr time they were praying Asr, and when they came again in the Fajr time they were praying Fajr. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that these angels never fail in their duties, and some scholars said that here the angels mentioned are the Malakul Maut, or those angels who are appointed to get the ruh out of the body at the time of one's death, and no matter what happens they never miss their timing. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, ثُمَّ رُدُّوا إِلَى اللَّهِ مَوْلَاهُمُ الْحَقِّ ألا له الحكم وهو أسرع الحاسبين. Translation: Then they are returned unto Allah, their guardian true master. Certainly His is the judgment, and He is the most swift in taking the accounts. So all the souls are returned to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is the guardian and the true master of everyone. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's hukm and judgment is the judgment that is final for everyone, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the most swift in taking the accounts, meaning a person's whole life's actions will be accounted within a fraction of a second. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us among those who are successful in the hereafter. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.